Thank my mum for that haircut later on today. The stuff I like doing outside work is a bit more interesting than finance. I play in a couple of bands, play drums in one band and play guitar in a function band. And this is me doing a charity gig at the Grand about a year ago for underprivileged kids at a school in Brighton. So, and actually we're playing at Mike's Brewery in a couple of weeks' time. We're not 29th, yeah, so come down for some great beer and some live music. Now this is the last time we played at Mike's Brewery. Obviously all in our loud shirts. I don't mind a bit of fancy dress, but occasionally our clients will dictate to us what we have to wear at gigs. Unfortunately, loud shirts are fine, but I draw the line at that kind of get up. So let's just skip that one. So, what do? Well, obviously I'm a commercial finance broker. The mainstay of what we do is either leasing or provide loans to people. There's a very famous American industrialist called John Paul Getty who said, if it appreciates, buy it. If it depreciates, lease it. Everyone knows that people buy property because it appreciates in value in general terms. People like cars, equipment for businesses, generally speaking, depreciate in value. What can be leased? Well, almost anything. Chairs, tables, office equipment, restaurant fit-outs, you name it, you can lease it, as long as it's movable. The benefits of leasing equipment are quite numerous. And here's just a few of them. I won't read all of them, but essentially the most important one is that you're making your money work harder for you because you're not investing your cash, your hard-earned working capital into a depreciating asset. You're actually using it elsewhere in the business to grow the business, where you're investing in staff, stock, marketing, developing the business in other ways. Okay, just an example of how leasing works before we come on to talk about loans and the different cash products available in the market, the alternative funding market. If, for example, you were to buy some equipment over a 3-year term, the equipment costs £10,000 and the monthly payments were around about the 350 mark. You've got a weekly cost of £80 there. The total amount you pay is around about £13,000. You can actually offset the majority of that against corporation tax, as James will know. So the net cost of leasing that equipment reduces to £10,100. So really it's a bit of a no-brainer with regard to the accounting aspects. Business loans is something that we're seeing a huge rise of at the moment. There's a huge requirement in the market for business loans. The amount of people, businesses that come and talk to me who've been turned down by their bank or not getting any feedback from their bank is just ridiculous. Banks are very, very good at certain things, but they often don't have the products or the ability to support businesses in growth. We have access to probably about 250 different lenders with the whole of market. Within that, there are probably about 20 or 30 specialist loan providers who will provide anything from straightforward capital interest, working capital loans, right through to things like revolving credit facilities, which work a bit like an overdraft, so you dip into it as and when you need it, only pay interest on the money that's drawn down as and when you need it. We can also arrange things like invoice finance, secured loans on property development loans and things like that. So there's a huge range of different loan products to suit each different business. And we make sure we tailor the product to the individual business requirements. We then package the application and find the lender that's offering the right product for that business at the cheapest rate available in the market. You can also do things like card term or cash advance. So if you take payments on a card, we work with a number of lenders who will advance you up to 1 month's rental for those card payments. Quick questions, 3. Who said if it appreciates, buy it, if it depreciates, lease it? Yes. Where's my band doing a gig on the 29th of September? And finally, who should you speak to about leasing loans?
Your man.
Mike Tremont. Thanks very much, everyone.